What's up, guys? Welcome back to the home gardening channel, and today I want to show you guys how I plant my peppers indoors in order to make the small plants that I will actually be transplanting outside once it gets cool enough. So basically this pepper that I'm growing today is called the Trinidad 7-Pot Primo. And it's rumored that this is actually the hottest pepper in the world at 1.5 million Scoville. It is said that this is actually off the record hotter than the Carolina Reaper, which is the current World Guinness record holder. This pepper is a cross of a Naga Mulrich and a Trinidad 7-Pot pepper. It was crossed by Troy Premieux from Louisiana, and it is said to come in roughly around 1.5 million Scoville. So it's said to be the undisputed hottest pepper in the world. We're gonna plant about 4 of these. I usually don't plant all my seeds at once. I'll keep some around, just kind of like it's a safety net. So 4 of these will go in, and what I do is I take these cups. I buy these at the dollar store. They're like Solo cups or something, and I have this soldering iron, and it's electric. You plug it in, it gets very hot, and what I do is I put holes at the bottom of these cups, and I do a double cup method, where we're gonna put water on the bottom in the second cup, and the water will seep through the soil. See, so I put the holes there, and then I'm gonna use this and put my potting soil in it. So I do the potting soil up to the lines on the cup, about up to there. Then I use a second cup, and what I do is, and I learned this pebble method from Kangstar. He grows a lot of really hot peppers. He has his own crosses. So what I do is I put this pebble in here, and then I'll put the water underneath. Put a little bit of water, so it'll seep up from the bottom, from the holes that I made. This water will get absorbed, and I won't have to be putting water up the top of the soil. So I'm gonna take just 1 seed. I don't like to do 2 seeds because if I get 2 peppers out of one, then I have to, get rid of one a lot of times, and it's just more work. So I'm gonna do 1 seed here just to show you guys. You guys can do 2. There's a lot of people that do 2 or 3 seeds and they just thin them out. But right now, these are seeds that I actually bought. I haven't grown my first Trinidad Primo yet. So what I like to do is, once I got, the plant producing, then I'm a little bit more free with the seeds. So basically just put 1 seed in there, a little bit of water. I'll put a little bit of water over the top just to make sure it gets moist. And this will go in my inside my grow tent. I'll grow it in here probably for about 8 weeks. And then once we get into 8 weeks of growth, 12 weeks of growth, the plant should be 8 to 10 inches. We should be into October. Then I'll bring it outside and plant it in a bigger container outdoors. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it. And I'll see you really soon on the next one.